Welcome to Baby Beats Rhymes!
Benny has a little red car, vroom, vroom, vroom. He drives it all around the playroom. Lily walks in with a great big smile. She spots a red car from a mile. Benny hugs his car so tight. He holds it close with all his might. Lily's lip begins to wobble and shake. Oh no, her little heart might break. Benny looks at Lily, looks at his car. Should he share or keep it near or far? Inside his head two voices say, keep it close or give it away. Benny takes a breath and holds it out. Sharing is what friends are all about. Lily's eyes go wide and start to glow. Her smile lights up the whole playroom so Benny feels so warm inside his chest. Sharing with a friend feels like the best. Your turn, my turn, watch the red car go. Taking turns puts on a great show. Your turn, my turn, pass it with a cheer. Sharing makes the happiness appear. Now they laugh and play the whole day through. Sharing makes a happy day for you.